Kaizen. Small and gradual improvements continuously bring value in the organization. Introduction. Kaizen is a Japanese word. It means improvement or change for the better. A continuous effort by each and every employee, from up to down, to bring in small or even bigger improvements in a particular organization. This improvement could be in products, processes, or systems. Following is the Kaizen sheet details. What is Kaizen? Kaizen is making changes over a period of time in an organization for better. It is a never-ending continuous process which is made in order to have improvements in the system. Kaizen improves quality, productivity, safety, and workplace culture. This is a lean manufacturing tool. However, it is also the second pillar of TPM methodology. Kaizen is result-oriented and highly effective activity in the organization. Now let's talk about its history. Dr. Deming, who was invited by Japanese industrial leaders and engineers to help rebuild Japan after World War II, he popularized the concept of Kaizen. Kaizen word has Japanese origin, which come from two words, Kai and Zen, which mean good changes. Getting started with Kaizen. Whenever an organization begins Kaizen, following points need to be initiated. That is, proper training, support from the top of organization, get ideas flowing, and last, remove barriers. Concept behind Kaizen. PDCA cycle, which means plan, do, check, and act, is the main concept behind Kaizen. Plan means what to do, how to do it, and do means do what was planned. Check means did things happen. Act means how to improve next time. Activity means identify an opportunity, analyze the process, develop an optimal solution, implement the solution, study the results, standardize the solution, and last, plan for the future. Now let's talk about its benefits. Every work has its benefits. Like that, the benefits of Kaizen are customer satisfaction, wastage elimination, improvement in machines' performance, improvement in processes, improved maintenance tasks, quality improvements, improvement in products. Our robust implementation capability. We have rich experience in successfully implementing prestigious projects in improving productivity, efficiency, and quality in manufacturing sector. We have implemented over 30 manufacturing excellence tools, namely TPM, TQM, Lean Manufacturing, WCM, and Reliability Engineering, etc. We have serviced over 60 leading clients for last 20 years. Do talk to us for implementation or training on Kaizen in your organization. Thank you.